Did you know that right now, as you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is working behind the scenes to recommend what you see next,
Generate by AI.
translate languages in real time, and even help doctors diagnose diseases faster than ever before? Yet most people still think AI is just science fiction. Today, we're going to change that completely. Welcome back to Science for the Curious Mind, where we make complex technology simple to understand. I'm your host, and in the next few minutes, you're going to discover exactly what artificial intelligence really is, how it's already transforming your daily life in ways you probably never realized, and why understanding AI isn't just interesting anymore, it's absolutely essential for your future.
But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what show you want to binge next? Or how your smartphone can recognize your voice even when you're whispering?
Generate by AI.
The answer is sitting right in front of you, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how it works, but you'll also know enough about AI to impress anyone at your next dinner party.
So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. Think of it as teaching computers to think, learn, and make decisions the way humans do, but often much faster and sometimes more accurately. It's not about creating robots that will take over the world. That's Hollywood fiction. Real AI is about creating systems that can process information, recognize patterns, and solve problems in ways that were once thought to be uniquely human. Here's where it gets really interesting. AI isn't actually new. The concept has been around since the 1950s. But what's changed dramatically is our ability to actually make it work. Today's computers are thousands of times more powerful than those early machines, and we have access to more data than ever before. This combination has created the perfect storm for AI to finally live up to its promise. Let me break down the different types of AI for you, because this is where most people get confused. We have three main categories, and understanding these will completely change how you see AI in the world around you. First is narrow AI, also called weak AI. This is what we are actually using today. It's designed to perform specific tasks really well. Your email spam filter is narrow AI. The recommendation system on YouTube is narrow AI. These systems are incredibly good at one thing, but they can't do anything outside their specific programming. Then we have general AI, sometimes called strong AI. This would be a system that could understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. We don't have this yet, and experts disagree about when or if we'll achieve it. Some say it's decades away. Others think it might never happen. Finally, there's super AI, which would surpass human intelligence in every aspect. This is purely theoretical at this point and remains the stuff of science fiction debates. Now, here's what's absolutely mind-blowing about current AI. It's already everywhere in your life, working invisibly to make things better, faster, and more convenient. When you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question, that's natural language processing AI at work. When you unlock your phone with your face, that's computer vision AI. When your bank detects fraudulent activity on your credit card, that's pattern recognition AI protecting your money. But AI goes far deeper than convenience features. In healthcare, AI systems are now diagnosing certain types of cancer more accurately than human doctors. In transportation, AI is the brain behind self-driving cars that could revolutionize how we travel. In climate science, AI is analyzing massive data sets to help us understand and combat climate change. The key technologies that make all this possible are fascinating. Machine learning is the foundation. It's how we teach computers to improve their performance through experience rather than explicit programming. Deep learning takes this further, using neural networks that loosely mimic how the human brain processes information. These networks can recognize patterns in data that would be impossible for humans to detect. Natural language processing allows computers to understand and generate human language. Computer vision gives machines the ability to interpret and understand visual information. Robotics combines AI with physical machines to create systems that can interact with the physical world. What makes today's AI so powerful is the convergence of three factors. First, we have unprecedented computing power, including specialized chips designed specifically for AI processing. Second, we're generating and collecting more data than ever before, and data is the fuel that powers AI systems. Third, we've developed better algorithms and techniques that can extract meaningful insights from all this data. The applications are expanding rapidly across every industry you can imagine. In finance, AI detects fraud and makes trading decisions. In entertainment, it creates personalized content recommendations and even generates music and art. In education, AI provides personalized learning experiences adapted to each student's needs and pace. Looking toward the future, AI will likely become even more integrated into our daily lives. We're moving toward a world where AI assistants will anticipate our needs. Smart cities will optimize everything from traffic flow to energy usage. And personalized AI tutors will help people learn new skills throughout their careers. But here's the most important thing I want you to understand. AI isn't something happening to you. It's something you can be part of. Whether you're interested in learning to work with AI tools, understanding how they affect your industry, or even building AI systems yourself, now is the perfect time to start exploring this incredible field. The future belongs to those who understand AI, and that future starts today.